Hi, we are in the house of Davin and Bob. Good to see you guys again.
Yes.
Good to see you.
Welcome to our house.
Thank you for having us. Flooring Pro did laminate floors and carpet on the stairs and upstairs, and we really want to know how you guys feeling with the service. How was the whole experience with us as a company? Service and quality and product that we use in your house.
We love it. We, it came out so much better than we had expected. I mean, it's so hard to judge how it's going to look from those samples, but it's beautiful, as you can see. I mean, it's really
nice.
Beautiful.
And everybody who comes in our house, I mean, that's the first thing they say, oh my God, your floors are just gorgeous. So I'm thrilled.
And we were really pleasantly surprised that the whole job was done in one day. And everybody did a beautiful job. I mean, it was very efficient, and there was no real mess. It was just well done.
Nice. The dust wasn't on the way, and
well,
because dust you cannot get away with.
I had my cleaner come and dust.
Yeah, that's always.
Well, I mean, obviously there's dust, and it takes a while for it to settle out of the air. But it was, considering all the work that was done.
Right.
The guys was nice to you. The service
Very
was
nice.
Terrific.
Very nice.
Terrific.
Yes, and we finished laminate floors and the carpet at the same day?
Same day.
You did. I couldn't believe it, because you were thinking maybe it was going to take 2 or 3 days.
That's
but
right.
You had a large crew here, and they were able to, the carpet people were able to do it at the same time as people that were doing the laminate. So it went really smoothly. I was pleasantly surprised about how smoothly it went.
Yep.
And I would recommend you to all my friends.
Thank you very much.
You were wonderful to work with as well, and I say that.
Thank you.
You're very helpful.
Thank you again for having us in your house. And anything you guys need, Flooring Pro is here.
Absolutely.
We get it done right.
Yeah, and you did get it done right.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Everything went wonderfully.
Thank you.